What's up today? Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that Joe released the first Boxyluxe March 2019 sneak peek. He was standing in front of this white board, and as you can see it says meeting agenda and some writing in an Asian writing, and he said this is our first brand spoiler for Boxyluxe. So this is Touch of Soul is the brand. And there are so many products that I like. I wanted to go through a few of them that it could possibly be. And so sit back and I'll show you a little. The Touch and Soul product line is very extensive. It has skin products, lip products, face. But I'm just picking 3 products that I like in the line, and I'm hoping they could be, but by no means do I know which product it'll be from Touch of Soul. Of course, he'll pick whichever one that he's putting in the box. These are just 3 products that I like. The first product is the No Problem Priming Eraser. This was featured in a Marie Claire magazine article. It was called Worth It, the 5 insanely good beauty product I'm loving this week. It sells for $14, and what it is, it's a primer in a stick format, and it blurs away any mistakes you may make on your face. For instance, if you're putting on mascara, it used to be where the mascara wasn't very adhesive and you could just flake it away when it dried, but now it's really hard to get off the lid. So with this, you can just blur it out and kind of cover up over it. If you get cakey foundation under your eyes or your wrinkles start to show, all you need to do is take the little stick and blur it out. And I've never heard of a product similar to this one, but it seems really neat. The second product is the Metalist Liquid Foil and Glitter Eyeshadows. It's a duo side stick, and one side of the stick is a foil type matte shade, and the other side is glitter. And you put the glitter on top of the shade on your lid. This product sells for $25. Then we have the Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. It's very similar to the eye product, but it's a dual-ended lipstick, and it features a metallic matte shade on one end, and on the other side, it's a matching glitter gloss. And you just build it up. You put the matte shade, then you build it up with the gloss over it, and it's a really dramatic look. These are 3 products that I would like to see in the box. It could be something totally different, but I just wanted to give you a little rundown of 3 of the popular things that Touch and Soul sell. Don't forget about that January giveaway that's still going on to the end of the month. We have the James Charles Morphe Collaboration palette or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. We'll have 2 winners this month. All the details and rules are listed below this video. That is our first sneak peek for our March 2019 Boxyluxe. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would so totally appreciate that. Have a good day. Bye.